Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you to everyone who's watched the videos so far. Me and Miss Farmer are loving seeing pictures of the work you've created at home. Please feel free to email us with any queries or questions and continue to send us lots of pictures of what you're up to at home as well. It really does bring a smile to mine and Miss Farmer's face, so thank you very much. This week we are going to be having a look at fractions. We're going to be looking at finding half. We're going to start by doing it very practically and then have a little look at finding half of a number. So for the apple, you would want to have your knife right in the middle of your apple. You wouldn't want to have it so that somebody was getting a great big chunk and someone was having a teeny weeny chunk there. So have a little think about where to place your knife and look with your eyes and see, does that look equal? Does that look fair? Once you've chopped right down the middle, you will see you've got two equal shaped pieces. So that would be nice and fair. So next, let's have a little look at the grape. Now you might be able to spot that you are able to cut an object in a few different ways. So for half of this grape, I could cut it in half like this, or I could cut it long ways like this, and it would still be half. So sometimes there is more than one way you can half an object. So that's something you can talk to your adult about as well. I'm going to go for half this way. There we go. And as you can see, we've got two equal size pieces that are the same. And finally, I've got the raspberry. As you can see, if I cut it in half this way, it wouldn't actually be the same size and shape. So for some objects that you're cutting in half, you want to make sure that you look to make sure they look equal, the same. So I'm just going to chop it down the middle there. It's like cutting a heart in half. There we go. And now I've got two pieces of raspberry which are the same. Have a go at chopping some bits at home. Now we're going to move on to finding half a number, but still very practically. So here I've just got some pasta shells and I've got two plates. So I'm going to pretend that these are my little bees and these are the two beehives. So my first challenge is to find half of 4. So the first thing I need to do is get 4 little bees. Here they are. And I need to share them out equally between the 2 hives. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And the important thing for finding half of a number is to just count one of the groups. So I've got 1, 2 in one of the groups. So half of 4 equals 2. Half of 6. So first of all, I need to get my 6 bees. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bees there. And once again, I need to share them out equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all my bees shared out now. Let's count how many are in one group. 1, 2, 3. So half of 6 equals 3. My next challenge is to find half of 10. So I'm going to get 10 bees and share them between the hives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I just count how many are in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So half of 10 equals 5. now we're going to have a little look at how to find half in an abstract way. So that means you're given a question about finding half a number and all you've really got is a piece of paper and a pen and you need to work out the answer. So the first question is going to be half of 8. Now you're finding half, so you need 2 groups. Create your 2 groups. The number you are working with is the number 8. And remember, we're finding half, so we want 2 equal groups. So I'm going to draw 8 circles, taking it in turns to put 1 in this group and 1 in this group until I've run out and I've got to the number 8. Then I will see how many are in one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've counted up to the number 8. Now I need to find out how many are in just one group. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So half of 8 equals 4. So if these were sweeties, I'd have 4 and my friend would have 4. And that would be nice equal groups.